Because on Wednesdays we talk about weddings and cake. I'm a tangent queen.
Wanna party with the pimp gang? Hey, hey, hey!
Sweet Jesus, sweet Jesus. Okay, I want to bake a cake. My goal is to bake a chocolate cake. I accidentally threw away the box because I originally wanted to bake this cake like 2 days ago, but we only had 2 eggs instead of 3 eggs, and I didn't have the complete recipe, and we needed to go to HEB, and so we're baking a cake today because we're back from HEB. And well, okay, anyways, so now I thankfully have, I took some photos of the box because I was a genius. I just had a feeling that I was going to throw it away. And I did, which was awesome because, I mean, less mess now, early. Anyways, I'm like a tangent queen. I'm a tangent queen. Let's do this. Chocolate cake, we need 3 eggs. Let's see. And now we make the icing, but I can't show up the end of this cake. 'cause on Wednesdays we talk about weddings and cake. That was my ultimate cake recipe, but in reality it's honestly just cake in a box, but I added my own like extra little flair, like just a little bit more olive oil, and you just butter up your pans. I wanted to say, hey, what's up, hello, and also more wedding talk because we're making moves slowly but surely. Still haven't found a dress or a lot of things, but I mean, we have our floors, check. Now I really want to announce some of the bakeries slash little sweet treats that we're going to have at our big day. We're going to be collaborating with Val's Sweet Treats, which I'm super excited. It's Jerome's longtime family friend, and just amazing people, amazing baker. I am most looking forward and hopeful. I want so many things from her. I can't wait to like actually sit down and chat, because I would love her famous tres leches. I would also love her macaroons, and of course just like the big cake too, to be like the big finale cake. So many options, so such cool things, such a great baker. Funny thing is, she was also on, what was it, Spring Baking Championship? Yeah, Spring Baking Championship, and she killed it. She did freaking awesome. She did a lot of my favorites there, so y'all definitely watch the season, helping us with our big day and stuffing our faces after some super good food that we have yet to find yet. But we know what we're gonna eat for our sweet treats. Then we also have my super good friend Shanice Flores, who has her Venusian bakery, and she does the coolest cakes. And I would love her to do like a, maybe like the groomsman cake, like something like sexy and sultry, but like in a cake, and it's cool and it's badass. And so it's cool work that she does. She's also super awesome at working out. So, need a workout buddy? Holla holla. Last but not least, we're going to work with my friend Annalisa, who's called Sprinkles of Sugar. She just started her bakery literally like, I want to say like this month, which is like so big and so awesome. And she's been super supportive of me and Peach Patio, and it's just been so grateful to kind of have like girl on girl support and just lots of love. And so I'd be honored to have her on our big day as well, and I'm super thrilled. I would love like some cupcakes or like something small and quick. I think my big takeaway from Annalisa is that she's from the Valley and I'm from the Valley, and it's just like hits to home, and it's just like, I'd be honored. It's so cool, so cool. We're slowly going down the list of all the things and, you know, baby stepping. But I feel good. I feel like what we know is what we know, and what we don't know, I mean, we're still working on it. And I think that's cool. It's a start, maybe. Or what's your favorite kind of treat? What would you recommend to have at a wedding? Like, were you at your last wedding and would be like, damn, I wish there was this? Let me know. I'd love to know. I have a whole bunch of ideas. I just want like a big dessert table with a lot of different things. Not just like cake. I want to have like tres leches and maybe even like a what is it, like a cheesecake? Yes. I don't know, so many options. I forgot to pick